Hey, this is CJ Crafton, and I want to show off the Damage Mechanics plugin. Just for demonstration, we'll take some damage from Magma. It's about half a heart every time. In Fire, it's a heart, half a heart, kind of varies. I probably should have done fall damage before Fire. Would have been smart. Fall damage here, this will give me about 2.5 hearts of damage. There we go. Okay, so let's go into the config of the plugin and change that. So first thing I want to do is I only want the plugin active in the world and the end. So I'm going to set those. If you keep the list empty, the default value, it's active in every world. We're going to change the player health attribute to 40. This will double the player's health. By default, it's 20. Alright, so let's list that. Fall damage, let's go crazy with this. 5 times damage, this will probably kill us. We'll see. Fire will double, fire tick, let's double that. Hot floor, let's multiply it by 4. And then let's go into healing and change satiated to 7. Why not? We'll save that. Run / damage mechanics. Nice, right away, you see we now have double the health. You'll see that the satiated is giving us a lot more health than usual on Regeneration. It was a little bit finicky. I don't know why, but Spigot must handle the Regeneration differently. Perhaps because of the difficulty, and if we're in peaceful mode, that'll be another reason. You can change for peaceful Regeneration. But now that we're in Fire, you'll see that we're taking a heart of damage each time instead of half a heart. Alright, let's heal up. Oh yeah, you can see now how it's consistent. Now if we take fall damage, we might die. Oh, we didn't die. Okay. And now on Magma, we're taking about 4 damage every time. Let's heal up. So now, if the plugin works properly, when we go into the Nether, we should see half of our health disappear. Alright, and as you see, we're now back to normal health because the plugin is disabled in this world. Alright, let's go back to the overworld. Another thing I want to try is go back into config and try end crystal regeneration. We'll change this to be 10 just for testing. Alright, we'll save that. Damage mechanics to reload and enter the end. Let's go find. Oh! I forgot I changed fall damage, so ender pearls are gonna hurt. I made a mistake. Let's make damage to ender catch. I guess I don't have to get so. Where are you, Jerry? Over there somewhere. Alright, so we just did a bunch of damage, but you see in the top how quickly the health regenerates because we said it would regenerate 10 times faster. And in case you're curious, this is Weapon Mechanics, another one of my plugins that handles guns. Fun plugin. Alright. One quick thing we have to talk about. Right now, I have the 2 rows of hearts. Let's say I change that, and I want to go back to the default value. I can no longer use -1. You'll notice that -1 doesn't actually change it now. And that's because -1 will stop the plugin from modifying your health at all. And since it was already at 40, now it's going to stay at 40. So if we want it to be back at default, we actually have to set it to 20. Save. And reload, and now health is back to normal. So of course now throw kills. Alright, that's damage mechanics. It's mostly useful for when you set your health to be really high value so you can modify the damage amounts to compensate, but you could also use this to, say, make a really hard survival mode. Double damage for mobs and whatnot. Make your life difficult for some reason. Alright. That's all I gotta say. Have fun.